know what? I'm okay with it. Things don't have to be perfect, but just taking steps every day, little accomplishments. You can only be proud of what we can achieve and not get down on ourselves for, you know, giving it our all and kind of sucking. It's okay to suck sometimes. At least you try. These are things I'm telling myself, but I hope it's nice for you to hear it too. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. From the moment we arrived. Tell me how my child turned this on by herself and put her feet in and is just completely chilling. I think she's seen me do it a little bit too much. It's a foot massager. If you missed my self-care video, it was in there. Arrow, you gotta go potty? Sit down first. Very good. I thought after potty training and like not doing a diaper, it would make my life easier. And in some ways, yes, but like I'm still changing this. I think once we move to the toilet, it'll finally ease up. But using these potties, it's just like changing diapers. And this? Okay. We have been gone literally for over 2 weeks at my family's house. It's where we did the potty training, and so now we're adjusting to here, and I was worried we were gonna regress, but it's been going so smoothly. If you missed my potty training video, I will link it down below, but I give you kind of like prep and tips and tricks and the plan that we did. It really worked for us. And now that I'm home, my goal for this month was like to get organized and be a little bit more minimal and kind of structure every aspect of my life at home in a way that I could upkeep it and keep it clean and organized without being like, have it look like the home edit. Like, my vibe is not perfection. It is what is some type of plan that I can keep up and isn't gonna overwhelm me. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect, but everything should have a place, and I shouldn't have like, you know, a bunch of things I'm just holding on to. Now this is what it looks like. I think it's so much easier, and I will link everything I got off Amazon down below. I got new plates and new cups, and these cups kind of look like the Stanley cup or a Yeti cup, and she's more likely to drink it if it looks like adult stuff. That is what I have been up to so far. Again, I just got back from my family's house, and so I feel so weird being home, and I need to like restock my pantry, get my essentials going, and kind of reorganize all that. And so I can take you along the items, my go-to like pantry restock stuff. We have an awake toddler, and we are going to unbox some pantry essentials from Thrive Market. They are sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. I have been using them myself for 2 years. It's just a really great way to get healthy items at affordable prices. You can become a member. There's 2 different tiers, but they guarantee those membership savings back. And if you don't get them, they like reimburse you, which is really cool. What I got, I had to get the Mama Chia seeds. This is what I use for my chia pudding or my overnight oats. She's seen the candy. Here, I'll get you another snack because these are Mommy's special candy. I'm obsessed with these. They're the Smart Sweets. Hold on, Mommy's gonna show you. You have your own candy. Here. Okay, those Solly gummies are also another essential. They're actually something I do get from Thrive too. I eat them too. They're delicious. Yeah, we have a whole nother box. It's a different flavor. This one's mango. I did get some pouches too. I actually love these myself, the Nokia pouches, and this is a best place to buy it. It is the most affordable. You will save on every single order with Thrive on organic, sustainable products. And if you find it lower somewhere else, they will match the price. I also picked up these pouches. These I like to eat myself too. They're the Mama Chia pouches. Yeah? You want help down? You want to get down? And also, when you do shop, look for items with the Thrive Cash badge because you will get cash back immediately. Put on screen the amount that I saved on this order, and then I also did get some Thrive Cash back. You always get a free gift, so I got this one to try, Little Brainiac. You want to try it? You want me to open it? Okay. Mommy also got Liquid IV. I love this just if I feel like I haven't consumed enough water. This is really great. And then, oh, Oppa! Baby shark! You love this? I know, Mommy loves this too. I got a whole case of the Go Macro bars. Since I've been breastfeeding, this has been my favorite. They're the banana almond butter bars. Would you like me to open that one too? Okay. You gotta finish it before we get a new one. Are you all done? Okay. All done. If you want to join Thrive Market today, I know, boo-boo, 1 second. I promise, 1 second, it's gonna play. I promise. You can sign up through my link, thrivemarket.com/BrittanyMaylin. It'll get you 30% off your first order and a free gift up to $60. All right, boo-boo, I'm all yours. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. Yesterday ended up being hectic. My heat went out. My front door stopped locking. Just a bunch of maintenance issues occurred when I was out of town for 2 weeks. So I was getting all that fixed, and yeah, that was pretty much the rest of my day. I'm so embarrassed. I really didn't want to be a Stanley Cup person. I really feel like a Utah mom right now. But apparently I'm a Utah mom. I know it's not just, it is a Utah mom thing. Is it not? The Stanley Cup? It's really good. I can fill this up with ice and it will have still the same amount of ice 12 hours later. I love it. My daughter loves it. I'm not gonna buy a whole collection, okay? I'm just gonna have this one, maybe one more if this is in the wash, because I need to drink more water. One of the things I'm also doing to take care of myself is just incorporate a little bit more health things. Did you go potty? Very good, listening to your body. I knew you could do it. Let's wipe, okay? Okay. Well, between potty training, which is going so well, it still takes up a good amount of my time getting used to that flow. And I'm not gonna lie, yesterday I was feeling a little down that I haven't nailed this whole organization thing within this video, but I'm taking a step back, and I told myself yesterday at the end of the day after I was being hard on myself that I literally did the best I could, and that's all I could do. And my place is still not organized or perfectly clean. And I think instead of saying oh, everything's gonna be perfect, I think I need to learn to live with imperfectness, because as a mom with a toddler, that's just life. And so, yes, I am going to be more organized and more minimal and get rid of things I don't need, but I'm also not going to be hard on myself when I'm entertaining a toddler, chasing around a whole potty thing, taking care of my dog and taking care of myself. And so I think I'm going to look at this yearly series where each month I kind of combat a new goal I want to reach, and also allow myself, as I work on that goal, to change my mind about what that goal exactly means and how it works in my life. But ultimately, my number one goal is to be the best mom possible, and to learn the exact balance of doing that while also being the best, kindest person to myself. You want snack? Okay, we're on snack mode right now. I am trying to get us ready to go to gym class. I think we're gonna leave here in like 30 minutes. Do you want bagel? We have dried mango. You want some dried mango?
No.
Not dried mango?
No.
What is it you're looking at? You want a pouch?
No.
No, mama? You want seaweed? You want to pick something out in here? I have sushi, which might be a little weird. Look at all these. Look at all these. No, none of those. I could cut up some grapes. We have blueberries. We're not gonna have a pasty right now because that's for Sleepy. You want something in here? Yes, very good choice. Here, let me open it. Here you go. My fridge is not organized, nor is my pantry. That is something we shall work on. Baby steps. Baby steps. And being proud of the steps I've already made.
Hard to see from the moment we arrived. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles